Stop quick sperm release. Causes of early discharge. Weaknesses are common causes of PE. Other disorders like low libido and ED can also initiate the problem of PE. If you are in the habit of alcohol, smoking, or tobacco use, you may suffer from stressed nerves. Stressed and strained nerves also raise the problem of PE. Excessive hand practice, poorly functioning prostate gland, and unstable emotional status are other common causes of PE. If you get involved with porn material, erotic conversations, or other kinds of stimulating activities, your nerves become hyperactive. Oversensitive nerves bring intense arousals and rapid discharge in bed. In this video, you will know how to reverse premature ejaculation symptoms naturally at home.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any natural herbal treatment. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos.
Solutions to last longer. It would help if you had a treatment that can handle all these causes simultaneously to stop the early discharge of sperm. Hand practice. Males often try different measures to stop the early discharge of sperm. Many males resort to hand practice to control the quick release of fluids in bed. These measures only aggravate the problem in place of curing it. Cream, gel. There are many commercially designed creams and gels that claim as solutions to PE. These creams and gels numb your male organ temporarily to prolong your duration. On regular use, these creams and gels become useless and even raise signs of ED. Too much insensitivity in the male organ negatively affects the quality of erections and reduces the sensation to make lovemaking dull and pleasureless. Stop quick discharge of sperm. Natural measures to stop the early discharge of sperm enhance your potency and libido, boost your vitality and virility, and treat PE. These measures provide long-lasting results and do not cause any adverse effects on health. Lawax PE oil to stop the quick discharge of sperm imparts excellent potency and virility, and it treats PE by shielding the ill effects of all the factors. This oil, due to herbal formulation, safe and harmless and can be used without any medical prescription. Lawax oil is straightforward to use. Along with dietary and lifestyle regimens, the results last for a much more extended period. This oil not only provides you control during lovemaking but stops all sorts of involuntary loss of semen and treats and cure low libido and ED. You also get higher ejaculatory force by using this oil, which makes your climaxes electrifying. Simple massages with this oil resolve PE for the long term and give you wonderful abilities to gain the most from your love life. If you want to know how to get Lawax oil discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Application of Lawax oil for premature ejaculation diffuses swelling and inflammation in glands and organs. The enlarged prostate gland is primarily responsible for the discharge of semen on arousal, during urination, and excessive precum. Lawax oil promotes healthy prostate functions to cure all these disorders and enhance a male's performance in bed. This oil to increase stamina also promotes healthy testicular functions. Lawax oil to increase stamina supplies optimum nutrition to testicles and stimulates their functions. The most important hormone, testosterone, gets produced in the male testis. By stimulating testicular functions, Lawax oil boosts stamina, increases the level of testosterone hormone. World's finest premature ejaculation cure.
100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Lawax oil from naturogain.com.
The product link is given in the video description.
Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.